10 things that we might want to remember when we are investing in cryptocurrencies. The first thing is, what is our objective? How quickly we want to be rich? Do we want to be rich in a single day? Do we want to be rich by waking up in the morning and seeing that my cryptocurrency, the price of my cryptocurrency has gone up much beyond than what I imagined? Or do we want to invest in cryptocurrency and wait for a longer period of time to have a substantial gain? So we need to decide about our objectives, what we want to achieve, what are our targets, because that will determine how are we going to play, how are we going to invest. The second thing is, how much can we lose? We need to be able to be sure about that. If we are a beginner, if we are new investors, and if we are not like those billionaires, but we are investing using money that are very dear to us, that are earned by us with our hard work, we need to be very careful in terms of how much can we invest. From my perspective, we should not invest beyond what can we lose. If investing money in cryptocurrency blocks your everyday expenditures, your everyday comfort of living, then we should not invest that. Let's wait. Let's wait for the time when that money has been saved from your earnings and can be comfortably invested in cryptocurrencies. We should be able to have a good night's sleep. And when we invest, it is very tempting when we look at the charts, look at the percentages, the colors changes over time, to invest all at once. But there is a risk of doing that, because we might see after investing that the prices are further going down. How about we invest a little as a first-time investor? We invest somewhere halfway between the deep and the top peak, and we kind of settle our entry price. And after that, we wait and see what happens to the price of that particular coin that we have invested in. If the price starts going up, that's good. We can relax and see how much higher it can go. If the price starts going down, no need to worry, no need to panic. We are not going to sell when the price starts going down. We'll wait and see how low it can go. And then we'll buy some more from the same coin, because we have money. We are not investing all the money at the very beginning. We are keeping our money in our hands. That's why it is very important to invest over time. Spread your investments over time at different prices on the same coin. And we might want to invest across multiple coins. Now, how many coins? It's up to you. You do research. You learn from others. and then you might want to invest across multiple coins, not only on Bitcoin, not only on Ethereum, not only on Cardano. So we might want to spread it across multiple coins so that if the price of one goes down, the price of other going up can help you. It is very important that we understand the percent changes. The percent changes are showing the changes in percent, the price of a cryptocurrency as compared to the price that it had exactly 24 hours ago, exactly 24 hours before. So this percent change can be confusing. The colors that are accompanied by the percent changes, red or green, can be confusing. It is just based on the price that that particular coin had 24 hours ago. So what is more important, instead of looking at the percent changes, is looking at the exact price and at what price you bought this particular cryptocurrency. So be careful about the percent changes and the colors and try to understand exactly what is happening. We need to be able to understand the charts. Don't just look at 24-hour changes. Look at weekly changes. Look at monthly changes. Look at what happened to that particular coin throughout the whole year. Otherwise, we might make mistakes. Otherwise, we might be too much influenced by the daily fluctuation, which can be very risky. And we might end up doing some wrong decisions. And we will also look at other resources like what's happening in Twitter, whether Elon Musk is saying something, what's happening in China. So look for other resources, what's happening in the markets. So just don't look at the charts and the colors and the percent changes, but keep your eyes open. Try to feel what can happen to the coins in future, what can influence their prices. Now, when to buy? We always say that buy red, sell green, but that is not that straightforward. From my perspective, I'll wait how long it can stay red, how much percent changes are showing over a few days of redness, and then I might buy, or even I might buy when the red then turns green and starts going up. That means it has reached a kind of bottom for the time being. When to sell? Don't get tempted by just seeing green, because if you look at the exact prices, you might find that even if it has turned green, the prices are much lower than what the prices that at which you bought a particular cryptocurrency. So wait for a few days of greenness, and then don't sell all of them. You might want to sell a few of them and get some money back, but holding is very important in cryptocurrency, and it refers to your objectives. Do you want to reach in a single day? Do you want to see yourself as a millionaire by waking up in the morning in one fine morning? Or do you want to do long-term investments and have some solid gains? So holding your cryptocurrencies is very important. You should not be tempted to sell when it becomes green. And finally, patience is the key in investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are very volatile. We should not be puzzled by that. We should not be tempted by that. We should not become restless because of that. We need to be patient. Unless you sell, you're not going to lose any money. Cryptocurrencies are like lottery tickets which do not have any expiry date. So as long as you can hold them with patience, one day you'll win. And you'll not lose your fortunes. You'll not put yourself in financial crisis, your families into financial crisis. Thank you for your patient hearing.